Today, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted file in Adobe Express. If you've accidentally deleted a project and need to get it back, this process will help you recover it through Adobe's cloud storage system. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. This will take you to your Adobe Express homepage where all your projects are stored. Once the page loads, you'll see your workspace with various design options and files. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Recent Files. This area displays all the projects you've been working on lately. Locate the specific project you want to work with and click on the three dotted lines next to it. From the menu that appears, select Delete. This step might seem counterintuitive since we're trying to restore a file, but it's necessary to demonstrate how the recovery process works. Here's the important part. Adobe Express itself doesn't have a built-in deleted files folder or recycle bin within the app. Instead, all your deleted files are managed through Adobe's broader cloud storage system. This is actually quite useful because it means your files are backed up and recoverable even if you delete them from Express. After clicking Delete, a pop-up message will appear on your screen. In this message, look for and click on Adobe Cloud Storage. This link will redirect you to Adobe's main cloud storage interface, where all your deleted files from across Adobe products are kept temporarily. Once you're in the Adobe Cloud Storage interface, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll see several options for organizing and viewing your files. Click on the option labeled Deleted. This section acts as your recycle bin, storing all files you've removed from Adobe Express and other Adobe applications. Give it a moment to load all your deleted items. Now you'll see a list of all your deleted projects. Browse through and find the specific project you want to restore. When you've located it, click on the three dotted lines next to that project. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Restore. This action will move your project back to its original location in Adobe Express. The file will now be restored and available again in your Recent Files section when you return to Adobe Express. The restoration happens almost instantly, so you should be able to access your project right away without any waiting period. And that's how you successfully recover a deleted file in Adobe Express by using Adobe's cloud storage system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.